welcome to Co-Learning Lounge presents IPL Fantasy Team of the Day. I'm your host, Natalia Agarwal, and we are here to predict our Fantasy Team 11 for the 34th game of this IPL season. So the game is between CSK versus Delhi Capitals. So without any ado, let's directly dive into our team selection. But just a quick information on our YouTube channel and other social media platforms. So for our YouTube channel, you guys can give your feedback, suggestion, any comments, or if you have any confusion in team selection or how you form the team, how our model is helping out, please do let us know in the YouTube section. If you have not liked, share, subscribe to our channel, do it right away. And who have done it already, thank you all. Along with that, we have a WhatsApp and Telegram channel also, where we are posting updates post 7 p.m. That is post toss between 7 p.m. to 7:20 p.m. If there's any change in our fantasy 11, any player misses out this spot or there's any in-out changes. So now let's dive into the team selection. So here is the first category, that is the keeper category, and we have only one person, that is MS Dhoni. So MS Dhoni gives catching points and batting relatively well. So he's one of our picks. He's the only pick, I would say, in the keeper category. Moving towards the next one, that is batsman category. So over here we have Fab du Plessis, Ambati Vaidu, SR Watson, S. Dhawan, T. Shaw, and A. Dhani. So du Plessis, he is Mr. Consistent. Missed out in the last game, but that doesn't make him any less. So you don't want to miss him out. He's one of our picks for Fantasy 11. Moving next to Ambati Vaidu, can be added in place of Watson. His stats are also quite good. So he's an alternative choice in batsman category in place of Watson because both are having same credit. Then we have SR Watson. Back in form, Watson is a force to reckon with. So his consistent form has been quite good. So definitely you won't like to miss him out. Everybody knows what a great player Watson is. S. Dhawan, so has done well in the past few games and seems like he's back in form. His career stats and last IPL season statistics really speak highly of him. So that's the reason that he is back in our team also. It's a stats back decision definitely. P. Shaw can be added in place of Dhawan. Misses out to Dhawan since Dhawan has done well in the past couple of games. So that's the reason. But he's one of the alternate pick. A. Dhani, in Ayer's absence, he will have a huge role to play. So definitely he's one of the pick. So Raidu and Shaw are alternative choices in batsman category. And rest for Fab du Plessis, Watson, Shikhar Dhawan, and A. Rahane are making to Fantasy 11 of our team. So in all-rounder category, we have Sam Curran, MP Stoinis, and Akshar Patel. So out of these three, all three make to a Fantasy 11. Sam Curran opens the batting and bowls all 4 overs. So he's a must pick. You should not miss out on him. MP Stoinis has done well for Delhi with the ball. So definitely he is consistent also with his bowling. And sometimes with bat also he gives you additional points in scoring category. So definitely you will like to pick Stoinis also. Akshar Patel, he gets quick runs and picks up wickets regularly. So that's what he is known for, his consistency in wicket taking capability. So definitely he is also a pick. So all the three all-rounders make to a Fantasy 11, Sam Curran, MP Stoinis, and Akshar Patel. Moving towards our fourth category, bowlers. So in bowling category, we have A. Nolke, DL Chahar, K. Rabada, SN Thakur, and R. Ashwin. So A. Nolke, he picks himself as you won't like to miss on him due to his wicket-taking ability. And he has been the fastest bowler this tournament. As last match, he bowled the fastest ball at a speed of 156.5 kilometer per hour. So he is quite good apart from this stats. Definitely he's quite good in wicket-taking ability also. So he is one of our pick. And moving towards the next player, DL Chahar, misses out as he hasn't been picking as many wickets. So wickets bowler who picks wicket is giving you for 25 points for 1 wicket. So definitely that's the reason that DL Chahar misses out this spot, but he is one of the alternate choices for sure. K. Rabada picks himself as he is great in taking wicket and is most prominent contender for a purple cap. So you won't like to miss on him. Just don't judge any player by one game. Okay, and any game might be he in last game he picked just 1 wicket, but that was also sufficient. 25 points he is giving you. It's not a nil one, right? Moving towards our fourth bowler, Shardul Thakur picks himself as he has been bowling really well and he's quite consistent with his bowling and wicket taking ability. So you would like to pick him up as well. And fifth choice is R. Ashwin. Misses out to Patel as he can bat. Can be added in place of him. If you are dropping Akshar Patel from all-rounder category, then definitely you can choose R. Ashwin. So these are the picks for the day. A quick recap of a fantasy 11. In keeper category, we have MS Dhoni, batsman, Faf du Plessis, A. Rahane, SR Watson, and S. Dhawan. In all-rounder category, we have Sam Curran, MP Stoinis, and Akshar Patel. Bowlers, we have K. Rabada, Shardul Thakur, A. Northe. So these are our picks for the day, along with the 4 alternative. In batting category, you have 2 alternatives, P. Shaw and Ambati Raidu. And in bowling category, you have R. Ashwin and DL Chahar. So this is our team. Do let us know in comment section on our YouTube channel how you felt about this team or any other team in the past matches also. Since it is a double header, we have announced 2 teams for the day. So we would like to know your views about it, how it has impacted you. Is it a good pick? What improvements would you suggest from your side, or any feedback suggestion? We are all ears to hear you out. Apart from that, guys, here comes the most important section, or I would say most loved section of the day. That's the pro tip. So you guys are lucky, since it is a double header, you are getting 2 pro tips in a single day. So pro tip for this time is, when it comes to bowling, choose the strike bowlers who will get wickets and who will bowl 4 overs no matter what. Selecting all-rounders like Stoinis is also a good choice, as they get to bowl 4 overs and some batting too at the death overs. So Sam Curran, Stoinis, these are really good all-rounders also. So definitely make a very wise choice, because it is a game. You have to win, not lose. So increase your winning probability by our fantasy 11 selection and also the pro tip that we provide. And do let us know in comment section in case you have any suggestions. Thank you, guys. Enjoy the double headers for today. Enjoy your Saturday. Thank you. We will meet again tomorrow. Till then, bye.